Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about the Splunk Certified Admin Exam Overview, or rather, we can say it exam blueprint. So, as mentioned here, the Splunk Enterprise Certified Exam is the final step towards the completion of Splunk Enterprise Certificate Admin Certificate. So, there are a few prerequisite of taking this exam. First, you should be uh, Splunk power user certified. Then you are eligible to take this exam. Also, you need to take Splunk admin, data admin, and data administrator training. Two trainings before taking this exam you need to take from the Splunk. So also it has 56 questions, and the level of exam is professional level, and you will get 60 minutes to complete this exam. And it is also mentioned it includes 3 minutes to review. So more detail you can go to exam agreement. So for this PDF I will share, even it is available when you search on Google with the admin blueprint, Splunk test blueprint for enterprise uh, admin. You will get this PDF, so you can go through it. So what all things it includes? So you can see the basic, like the topics and percentage of questions coming for that particular topic in exam. So the first topic is Splunk admin basics, where it covers the identify the components. So it covers 5%. Then again the second part will be the license management. Again you can see the percentage. It includes identify license types, understand license violation things. So it will cover all of these things, and the question related to licenses. The third topic will be uh, Splunk configuration files. Again it includes 5%. So it has a topic about the describe Splunk configuration directories, directory structure, understand configuration layering, understand configuration precedence, use Beat tool to examine configurations. So this topic is all about the configurations, files, and the directory structure. So the next topic is Splunk indexes. Now keep in mind that the indexer, the Splunk index has weightage of 10%. So how important is this? You can find out with the percentage of question coming from this particular topic. So what all things it covers? It covers a describe index structure, list types of index buckets, check index data integrity, describe index.conf options, describe the fish bucket, apply a data retention policy. So this is about data Splunk indexes. Now the fifth topic is Splunk user management. It covers describe user roles in Splunk, create a custom role, add users, Splunk users. It has also weightage of 5%. Now the sixth topic is Splunk authentication management. So it covers, there are two kind of authentication. One is external authentication or third party authentication, and the native authentication. So this topics covers about those. So it will cover integrate Splunk with LDAP, and list of user authentication options, Describe the step to enable multi-factor authentication in Splunk. The next topic is getting data in. This is very important in terms of learning Splunk. So describe the basic settings of an input, list Splunk forwarder types, configure the forwarders, add an input to UF user. This is about the input level from where the data comes into the indexers or Splunk. Now again, this distribution searches has weightage of 10%. So it include describe how distributed search works, explain the role of search head and search peers, configure a distributed search group, list search head scaling option. So now again, getting data in staging, list the 3 phases of Splunk indexing processes, list Splunk inputs. So it has a weightage of 5%. Configure forwarding. This is very important in like say production environment, where configuration it covers the configuration forwarding, identify additional forwarder options. So it has weightage of 5%. Forwarder management, again this is very important as weightage is 10%. So explain it covers the topic of explain the use of deployment, describe the Splunk deployment server, manage forwarders using deployment app, configure deployment clients, configure client group, monitor forwarder management activity. Now next topic is monitor inputs. It covers the topic create files and directory monitoring input, use optional settings for monitoring input, deploy a remote monitoring input. So it has weightage of 5%. Network and scripted inputs, it will cover create network inputs, TCP UDP, describe optional settings for network inputs, create a basic scripted input. So it also covers 5% of questions. Now agentless input, so this is very important. This like if you get mastery of it will help you in your real life day-to-day job. So it covers creating Windows management instrumentation, WMI input, and describe HTTP event collector. It has weightage of 5%. Again, fine tuning inputs, the 15th chapter, it covers 5% of questions. So it includes understand the default process that occur during the input phase, next one is configure input phase options such as source type, fine tune, and character set encoding. 16 topic is parsing phase and data. It covers following topics and it has a weightage of 5%. It covers understanding the default processing occurs during the parsing, optimize the configuration event line break, explain how timestamp and time zone are extracted or assigned to event, use data preview to validate event creation during the parsing phase. So these topics comes under the parsing. Now next, or I guess the final is manipulating the raw data. The weightage of it is 5%, and that includes explain how the transformation are defined and invoked, use transformation with prop.conf and transform.conf to mask or delete raw data, as it is being indexed. Override source type or host based upon event values. Route event to specify indexes based on the event content. Prevent unwanted events from being indexed. Use set command to modify raw data. So total is 17 topics, but this is this is not like it's come from the one module. The admin Splunk admin uh, module has two part. One is data admin and another one is system admin. So you need to you need to complete both the trainings in in order to pass the exam. So there are few more preparation guide you can go through. Splunk how to video channel, Splunk docs, and also you can go to the and enterprise certified admin learning path. There you can uh, book yourself for the training and get the extensive training from the Splunk. So like said, it has two topics, two separate trainings: Splunk Enterprise Admin Administration and Enterprise Data Administrator. And prerequisite for this exam is you should be certified in Splunk Core Certified Power User. You can schedule direct exam from here, and it will redirect to the I guess it will redirect to the Pearson site where you can book your exam. So thanks for watching and all the best for your Splunk admin certified exam. Thank you.